Oh, blow it again. Mom got you a trick candle. Ready?
Go. Go ahead. Again. Get closer. Come on.
Blow it out.
Go.
Blow it out. Blow it. Blow.
Go ahead, Marcus. Yeah, more.
Hard. Go.
Yay!
Good job.
Good
Good
boy.
job.
Yeah, 2 years old. You see? 2.
Happy birthday, big boy.
Give my
You're looking at those cookies like, how can I eat them? How can I eat my cookie
Okay.
for my birthday? Okay. All right, let's let this. Let's move it over here. Yeah, because I know what's gonna happen. Wait a
Mom's
minute.
gonna cut it.
You're gonna reuse that one?
There was a 0
What?
or 4.
I didn't get that.
Yeah, that's
No,
yours.
no,
But
no, no,
it's
no.
not for eat.
Are they gonna have one on his other cake?
I said to put happy birthday, Marcus.
Okay,
But
so you can just put that on there. Wait! Wait a minute. Wait a minute,
It's
man.
your cake. Yes. I'm just gonna cut it. I think I'm gonna need a knife. We're getting a knife.
You want some cake?
Yeah.
You want some of that cake? That's birthday cake. That's Marcus' birthday cake. Do you like birthday cake? Do you like that cookie?
Yeah.
Want that cookie?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in there hard, huh? That means it's too, it's still too hard. I'll just...
Alright, Marcus.
Marcus, get some cake and some ice cream.
Wow, look at that.
And then Daddy gets some too. And some for Mommy. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm not crazy about the chocolate stuff.
That's why I gave it to you.
Thanks. Ice cream?
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah.
Good job. Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, Marcus.
Happy day.
To you. Happy birthday to
You
you.
want a cookie?
Happy birthday, dear Marcus. Can you help him? Happy birthday to you. He's gonna slide that off the plate.
Wait.
The cake is hard, I think.
Want the cake?
Yeah.
That good?
Mmm.
Is that good? Is that yours?